What are processed foods?
Processed foods are those that have been altered from their natural state for safety, convenience, or taste. This includes simple methods like freezing, canning, or baking, as well as more complex techniques like adding preservatives or flavorings. Not all processed foods are created equal, and the degree of processing can make a big difference in their health effects.
Different levels of processing.
Foods can range from minimally processed to highly processed. Minimally processed items, like bagged spinach or roasted nuts, are close to their original form. More heavily processed foods, such as sugary breakfast cereals or packaged snacks, often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Understanding these differences is key to making healthier choices.
Why are some processed foods considered unhealthy?
Highly processed foods may contain high levels of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to obesity, heart disease, and other health problems when consumed in excess. They may also be low in essential nutrients and fiber, making it harder to meet your nutritional needs. However, not all processed foods are detrimental to health.
Benefits of some processed foods.
Certain processed foods, like pasteurized milk, canned beans, or frozen vegetables, can actually improve food safety and nutrient availability. Processing can make food more convenient, affordable, and sometimes even healthier by preserving vitamins or removing harmful bacteria. The key is to choose processed foods that add nutritional value.
Making informed choices.
Not all processed foods are bad. The science shows that moderation and careful selection are important. Reading ingredient lists, opting for less processed options, and balancing your diet with plenty of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help you enjoy the benefits of both processed and whole foods in a healthy way.